So we've looked at overriding and adding values to a list, but what if I wanted to remove a value? So the first method of doing so is .pop. So to show you, let's do ideas.pop and then the index of what we're going to remove. So in this case, I'm going to remove the item at the first index, which is actually the motion detector host system. So in this case, the comparison print, I'm going to move it down. And if we were to save and run, so in this first example, we have motion detector host system still here, but now after we pop the first thing, we can see that it's gone. So in this entire second print here, the motion detector host system is no longer in this list because in our code we did ideas.pop1, which removed the motion detector host system. So that's how you can remove items by their index. But what if instead I wanted to remove an item by what its value was? So the way we do that is .remove. So if instead of .pop, I did ideas.remove and then go to a park, when I run this, we can see in this first list, go to a park is still here, but now in the second print, we can see that go to a park is not in it, and the reason is we removed it from the list.